Hey, thanks for joining my channel. This is just a really super quick install mod, as it were. I don't think it's a mod. A mod would be something cool like a steering stabilizer or Dana 60s. This is just a really simple little like, hey man, I bought my brand new Jeep, my 2021 Jeep Rubicon Gladiator, and I didn't get floor liners. I just got the cheap carpet ones that come with the stock Jeep because I was trying to save money. I wanted to keep my payments down low because Rubicons are not cheap, as we all know. Anyways, so what I did is I went out and I bought Husky floor liners. I've used Huskies in like all my Jeeps. I used them in my YJ, I used them in my TJ, my JK, I used them in my Dodge Ram. I even put them in my wife's minivan. So I thought, hey, might as well keep up the tradition because Husky's awesome, lifetime warranty, and I love their stuff. I wasn't paid to say that. I bought all this stuff on my own. Thanks, Husky liners. No, I'm just kidding. But I paid for it all on my own. And I just want to, if you're looking for floor liners for your JL or your JT, check it out in the video below. I just threw them in real quick just to show what they look like. So thank you for watching, and like, comment, which I'm sure people will do, and that's fine. It's a free world, it's a free country, well, at least with me it is. Go ahead and comment and like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Oh man, I love it when Amazon drops off on time. So I got my front and my rear exact contour Husky liners. These are the rears right here. Let's just take a look at this part number. If anybody wants these, here is the part number for you, 54791. And that is the second seat in the back. They're pretty awesome. Like I said, I love these things. And here are the fronts. Here's the front part number. One-handed. There we go. Husky liners came today. There we go. I love these things, the exact Husky liners. I put them in all my vehicles. I had them in my TJ. Well, they weren't the exact ones back then, they were classics, but I had them in my TJ, my JK, my Dodge Ram, my wife's minivan, and now they're going in my JT Gladiator. Okay, and these are my stock rear OEM liners that came, just like carpet ones like everyone's used to, and they're horrible, so I'm going to change them out. Okay, and this is what they look like with the liners out. You can see those, they have a really cool peg style that you hook into. And here we have the rear Husky exact liners in place. And as you can see, they're molded awesome. Like these things, I really like the Husky liners. They always fit really nicely around the edges. And it has like a tray style, so any sort of mud or water, it just stays in the tray, which I like. So this is the stock ones that came with the Gladiator. Just little stockers. I already got them a bit dirty because it is winter. Let's get these out, change them up. And there we go. That's the Husky liner exact in my 2021 Gladiator Rubicon. Cool.